We are at PS 16 in Staten Island, New York, and we have delivered over 500 hats to this amazing school.
We have such an awesome responsibility to ensure that our babies not only leave us strong and proficient in reading, writing, and math, but they also leave us as good human beings.
Hat Not Hate, it gives you something to look forward to if you feel like you're being bullied. So I think it's really kind of cool to have something to be positive.
I love the hashtag, and I think that silent E can change so much. It's so big, like it can change a word, it can change a meaning, but it can make such a difference.
I think that they are going to feel confident to stand up to bullying, to, if they see somebody is being picked on, that they're going to be there for them, whether it be to go tell an adult or to be there to try to boost their morale. I think that they're going to know that they're leaders and that they have the power.
Whoever chooses to wear the hat feels like more than like they're powerful.
If everyone does this, maybe we could stop bullying. It means we can stop bullying altogether with the people who have the hats on. Even if they don't have hats, they can help stop bullying.
For me, it means unity, coming together, recognizing that we're all different, but yet all the same.
It's an honor to wear this hat. I love the hashtag Hat Not Hate. I love that someone would ask me, why are you wearing a blue hat? And then I could share that message.
I think a hat means so much more than just something to wear on their heads. I think it's something that is so symbolic to them that they're going to go right back to this day and think about how they were an agent of change and how our student council led this crusade of justice and having courage and being brave, right? Because we want to raise our kids to be brave and stand up for what's right.
Every student, teacher, employee of this school received a hat today, and holy smokes, all the dreams. It was pretty cool seeing everyone in their blue hat today.